G'day guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We now have a join button on our channel, so if you would like to become a part of the IFR mod squad, it is greatly appreciated. We also have a Patreon. If the join button is not for you, the links will be in the description. G'day guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we have actually built a PC theme towards Minions, and this is actually going to be going to my partner's room. This is a Minion themed PC, all for Amelia. Now her PC was in some dire need of some upgrades, so inside we jam-packed it full of the latest hardware and specs, so she's gonna have no trouble when she's video editing and rendering. Not only that, but this is Lian Li's new O11 Dynamic XL case. The XL is a little bit taller, also has vertical mounting for GPUs if you would like that. You do have to purchase the vertical mount separately, and it also has 4 hard drive cages at the back and lots of SSD mounting positions. So what custom work did we actually do with this PC? Well, for starters, we do have our custom water cooling loop. All of the water cooling gear supplied by EK Water Blocks. We have their new distribution panel at the side there, which can actually fit the normal O11 as well. On top of the GPU, we do have that Minion themed backplate. We decided to actually make the Minion in a mirrored finish so that it would reflect all of the LEDs inside. We also made a GPU support bracket because this GPU does have a bit of weight to it, so it helps hold that thing up nice and straight, which is really good. We do have those custom sleeved cables. They were provided by First Player and really suit the theme of this build, which is obviously that white, yellow, and blue color scheme. Our front panel does have some custom laser etching. You can see the 3 minions there hanging down, holding each other like they are about to fall. So I thought that was a pretty cool touch, and at night, they will pick up all of the lights because of all of that laser etched and all the scratches and that are in the etching. It really picks up light well. Enough of the custom work. What do we have for the specs? Inside the system for the motherboard, we have the Asus ROG Maximus 10 code motherboard, and this is paired with an Intel i7 8700K CPU. Now this CPU is an upgrade from a 6700K, so it is quite an upgrade for her, and the GPU inside of this is actually the RTX 2080 Seahawk from MSI. Now we actually use this card in our display build for Computex, and unfortunately the liquid inside actually gunked up the loop, so we had to actually rip the stickers off of this and it became a plain block, which I'm actually quite happy with because I do think that the screws should be shown so that people can actually open their cards and clean them when they want to. For the RAM, we have 32GB of the Teamgroup Nighthawk in white. They are 3000 megahertz, so the speeds are really nice. And 32GB is going to be plenty, and it's going to help her out with her rendering and video editing. For the drives, we do have a 480GB M.2 SSD. This is a Corsair one. And then we do have 1 hard drive installed at the moment, and then we're going to put her other 3 hard drives from her current PC inside of there. The power supply is a Seasonic 850 watt power supply, plenty of juice for this system. And keeping this system nice and cool, we have EK Water Blocks for all of the water cooling gear supplied. And I actually really like the look of their new velocity blocks and their new fittings. We also have 2 360mm radiators, one on the top, one on the bottom, cooling this beast. Now pushing that airflow, we do have the Lian Li BR digital fans. I'll leave all specs and everything in the description below and everything that we use in case you guys want to check them out. They are Amazon affiliate links. If you guys do make a purchase, we do gain a tiny bit of commission from that at no cost to you. So anyway, that's pretty much it. You guys may have noticed that we did film this with blue LEDs on. Amelia does want it in RGB. She can't get enough of RGB. So that's what we're going to do with this system. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, consider subscribing, checking out more videos on the channel just like this one, and consider becoming a Patreon. And if Patreon is not for you, then consider joining our channel. It really helps us out, especially with videos like these where we put custom work into this, and it does cost us a lot of money each week to keep making these builds. It's greatly appreciated. It helps us out more than you guys know. Thank you very much for the support, and we'll see you guys in the next one.